Hello everyone, welcome to today's edition. I'm going to show you all on how to use HTML on our first class and to know what HTML is all about, what is HTML, and ultimately this is the foundation that gives you a solid growth to the process of developing a website that you will use. You can be practicing it as we proceed. So, but before you start, I want you to download the VS Code. So all you need to do, you can go to your browser, which is the Google Chrome, or your Mozilla Firefox, or your Safari if you are using an Apple laptop. So all you need to do, you can type code.visualstudio.com. Once you type it, you can download and install it in your system. That gives you a walkthrough on how to start your web development. But I will still give more solid guide on how to install and how to create a file to start your your code system. Now, what is HTML? So right now, the HTML is what we are going to learn now. And now we can use our website, which is this, to download, which was the one I mentioned, your Google Chrome, your Safari, your Mozilla Firefox, to download. And when you download, this is what we're going to do all through our HTML, CSS, JavaScript. For these first three sections, we are going to master this. By the time we proceed, we are going to go to the deeper section of this web development. So web HTML is definitely the foundation where you have your header, and then when you put my website and then you have a preview on the browser, it will give you on your browser as my website. So this is what someone that is going to your website will say. And now let's dive in. HTML. What is HTML? HTML simply means hypertext markup language. And now, what is hypertext? Hypertext is those file, which is a HTML file you have created, that's in your browser. You see a blue line that's for a text. You just see a blue highlighted line. Those are hypertext. As you click it, it takes you a different file. These are the file that the highlighted blue one are the one. When you click it, it takes you to a different file. When you click it, it takes you to a different file. So that's what it means by the hypertext. So now I'm just having a walkthrough on the history to date. So this highlighted at the sidebar are the hypertext language. But all this is just to have a preview on what HTML is all about, because as we proceed, you get to understand more better on what HTML is all about. You see, now let's proceed. We've known hypertext. Now, what is markup language? Markup language this is just a quote. In written word, you have quote and unquote, and this is just a quote when you are writing your code, and it helps you to mark a particular word when you are writing a code. So that is the markup language. And you can see this is just a preview of a magazine where the editor is highlighting the words of the writer that to make correction. So that same thing that happen when you are writing your code. It just seems to be like a code when you are writing it. So now in HTML we have what we call the quote, which is the header, you have the title, you have every other thing when you quote it, which is, look at it, the highlighted one, header and the address. So that is how we can do about HTML. All this here is the thing we're going to work through, but then we're not going to learn everything, but you just like to have a preview of what is the tasks ahead of us to come. So this is how we are going to get started. It's just to give you the preamble on what HTML is all about and every other thing. By the time we proceed to the next class on HTML heading element, you'll get to understand more. Thank you.